Hey, boys and girls, guess what it's time for?
It's time for Flapjackrelay.
Flapjackrelay!
I like flapjacks. Okay.
Enjoy the show.
Yeah.
So I wonder how this next guy's gonna be. We've had these child protecting on the food, so the child doesn't raid the food. It's been working out really good.
Yeah, let's see how it works on this next guy.
Let's see.
Come on. See, it's open. I'm sorry.
This is the next guy.
Never happened.
Hello, sir. You kind of fogged up my windows there. Hey, how you doing? Alright, so we're gonna you are trying out our sir, leave the hoop ball alone. That's another project. Alright, come here. Alright, so we're gonna put you in there, okay? There's lots of food in there.
Go ham on the food.
Yeah. Okay, there's food. Come on. Come get this food. Come on. I get 5 minutes.
5 minutes, take me 10 seconds.
We'll see.
Dude, open it, don't wait.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
How did
It's fine. I told you. Told you 3 minutes.
You're right.
Thank you. I'm fine.
Alright, come on, sir. Come on.
No, I'm fine.
Alright.
I guess we're just gonna leave him. Go ham
Bye.
again. Go ham again, buddy.
Okay, thanks for coming on.
Alright, flip the lights for your signal. It's not right. Come on, man.
Okay, sir, you can come out now, sir.
Well, hello, sirs.
What
Who are
happened to
you?
him?
What?